They make how much money? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jerome, back at it with another video. A couple days ago, I put up a poll on YouTube asking you guys what kinds of videos you actually like to watch on this channel. And the overwhelming majority of you said finance/investment banking related videos, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm still pretty disappointed that more of you didn't say that Jerome is my favorite YouTuber of all time, and I'll watch any of his videos, but that's besides the point. But if you want to be responsible for the next video, make sure to go and vote on that poll. It is still live, or just leave a comment and tell me what kind of video that you want to watch. Today, we're going to be talking about investment banking salaries and how they've been updated in 2021. If you are at all interested in investment banking or in finance in general, then I'm sure you heard about the Goldman Sachs analysts who earlier this year complained about the gruesome working hours in investment banking. One analyst even opened up and said they were in a, quote, really dark place because of the working conditions they were working under. Now, this isn't specific to Goldman Sachs. This started a storm of complaints from junior bankers basically all across the street. And this led to almost every single bank somehow updating their compensation packages, whether that be a higher starting salary or just an additional one-time extra bonus. Yay for bankers making even more money! The first thing that all of these banks did was to smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, let's take a look at how these banks, specifically Goldman Sachs, has updated their salaries for junior bankers in 2021. Keep in mind that all of these are base salary figures, so the bonus is going to be a completely separate thing that is going to be on top of everything we're going to discuss. So previously, a first-year analyst at Goldman Sachs was going to be making $85,000 a year. That's even more than I was making as a first-year engineer straight out of college. So these are mind-boggling numbers here. The new starting rate for a first-year analyst is now going to be $110,000, which is nearly a 30% increase. Could you imagine if you got to your end-of-year performance review and you went to your boss's office and they sat you down and they were like, "Hey, Jerome, you did really well this year. We want to give you a 30% increase." That's literally unheard of. I worked as an engineer for 2 years, and the first year I literally got like a 4% raise, and the second year I got a promotion which came with a 7% raise. Even if you add that together, that's not even half of the increase that these first year analysts are getting. Now, a second year analyst at Goldman Sachs was previously making $95,000 a year and will now be making $125,000 per year. That is a massive 31.5% increase. And in an even bigger move, the salary for a first-year associate is going from $125,000 all the way up to $150,000 per year. Now, I will say this last one does seem a little bit lacking because the previous Wall Street kind of standard rate was $150 for a first-year associate, and most other banks in 2021 have increased that to $175. So I don't know why Goldman Sachs is a little bit behind from that perspective, but most Wall Street banks are actually paying first-year associates $175. Now, obviously, all of these changes are coming in light of the complaints from the junior bankers about working 100-plus hour work weeks. And for those thinking that's an exaggeration, trust me, it's not. But that's the point of this high salary. They're paying you this steep premium for the work that they expect to get out of you. How many other 22 to 25-year-olds do you know that are making a six-figure salary and probably also getting an additional 50% or more at the end of the year as a bonus? I want to make it clear that I don't think working conditions are necessarily going to change that much for these junior bankers. I think instead what these banks are hoping are that by increasing their base salaries, they'll be able to convince bankers to stay a little bit longer and complain a little bit less. It's essentially just an incentive to get you to work those long hours. Now, for those of you who are like, yeah, but money can't buy you happiness. True.
But it can buy me a boat.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. I'm Jerome with all things tech and finance, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.